Struggling with the VERR_NEM_missing_kernel API error in VirtualBox on Windows 11? Here are 3 quick fixes to resolve it and get your virtual machines running smoothly. Open Control Panel. Change view by to large icons. Click on Programs and Features. Then, from the left side, click on the Turn Windows Features On or Off option. Look for Hyper-V and untick it. Then, uncheck Windows Hypervisor Platform, Virtual Machine Platform, and Container. Finally, click OK. Open the Windows Security app by searching it out of the Start menu. Then go to App and Browser Control. Scroll down and look for Exploit Protection and then click on Exploit Protection Settings. Now, go to Data Execution Prevention, DEP, and change it from Use Default, On, to Off by default. Then, click on the Device Security tab from the left section. Go to Core Isolation and click on Core Isolation Details. Finally, disable the toggle for memory integrity. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run the following command. bcdedit/set hypervisor launch type off. Now you can run the following command to shut down your system. Shutdown ST2. Once your computer starts back up, the issue should be resolved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.